Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Ford F-150. Stock number is A6902B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.